Welcome to our Introduction to the Configuration and Installation Tool, or CIT. For more information on how the Tehama wireless submetering system works, please refer to our video Tehama System Overview. In order to familiarize you with the CIT, we're going to go through some key features. We will connect to a DCAP, load some configuration data, get some monitor data, and create a report. To get started, first open the CIT tool. We will first connect to the Tehama Demo DCAP. To do this, click on the desired DCAP and click Connect. By default, 12 hours of monitor data is downloaded when you first connect to a DCAP. Monitor data is information such as meter readings and RF network statistics. The default 12 hours of monitor data is usually sufficient, but you can get a different time period of data by clicking the down arrow icon and choosing the desired time period in the dialog box. Once you are connected to the DCAP, all the MDTs and repeaters that have been powered on will show up on the left-hand side where it says Network Tree. The green check marks indicate that an MDT is commissioned, which means that it is associated with a meter point such as an apartment. The yellow exclamation point indicates that an MDT is uncommissioned and needs to be associated with a meter point. We're going to commission the MDTs manually, but you could also import a CSV file by using the menu CIT, Import Meter Configuration Data, CSV Data. To commission the units manually, click on the Node View tab within the Configuration tab. The easiest way to commission an MDT is to drag its icon over to a blank radio ID space. Once dragged over, you can then input address, building, and apartment information so you know where the unit is located. To enter the information, just click on the cell and enter the desired text. Or, click on the cell above with the appropriate information and press Shift down arrow to copy the cell, or Shift Alt down arrow to copy the line. Once location information has been entered, the next step is to enter the sensor information. To do this, click on the Sensor View tab within the Configuration tab. Once in the Sensor View tab, select the sensor type you wish to configure from the drop-down menu. To edit single cells, select Single Cell in the Edit Mode box and simply click on the cell you wish to edit. Or, select Multi-Cell in the Edit Mode box and select multiple cells you wish to edit. Enter the desired values in the line below and click the Update Selected Cells button. One important thing to know is that the master database resides inside of the DCAP, so whenever we make changes, we need to save them to the DCAP in order to keep those changes. To do this, click on the pen icon. To look at the data that the MDTs have received over the last 12 hours, click on the Monitor Data tab. Under the Monitor Data tab, there are 3 view tabs. Each view can be customized to show only the information that you're interested in. To do so, left-click in the grid area, choose Set Custom Column View, and select the columns to be displayed in the Column View configuration window. Click on the Use Settings button to apply your changes and close the window. If you want more information about a particular reading, click on an individual cell and a graph will appear at the bottom of the screen. This graph will display the data from that cell over the time period that we've chosen earlier. So for instance, this is showing gallons consumption over time for the selected sensor. You can also plot the link quality or RSSI for a specific repeater or sensor. If you want to create a report over that time period that we've previously selected, just click on Reports and then click on the report type that you want to save. The report is saved as a CSV file, so it can be reopened using the CIT tool, or it can be easily imported to Excel. Tehama Wireless can also provide a custom report type if the CSV format does not fit your needs. Another option is to receive the report daily by email. To do so, click on the configuration data and then the DCAP view. In the bottom left square, you can input the email address that is going to receive the daily reports from the DCAP. You can also set the time of day that the reports will be emailed. To enable this, click on the Quick Set button. This lets you choose the content of the report and will configure all the MDTs at once. Once everything is configured the way you want it, remember to save the information to the TCAP by clicking on the pen icon. Thank you for watching the introduction to the Tehama Wireless Configuration and Installation Tool.